The Oracle Jet now includes new cold espresso and cold brew, which are great for experimenting with your own creations. These brew at lower temperatures, which produce more mellow and less acidic notes, creating light and smooth flavor profiles. Here's how easy they are to make yourself. For a cold espresso, you'll want to adjust your machine to a finer grind size setting, depending on your taste preferences. We recommend starting with just a few adjustments finer, which your machine will prompt you to do. As you experiment and get to know your machine, you can be more flexible with these settings. The machine will prompt you to adjust your grind setting back up after you have made your cold espresso. It's recommended to run a pre-purge. Tap the brew icon, running the water for 5 seconds, and tap again to stop, which cools and optimizes the water temperature. Adding ice to your glass or cup will ensure that your espresso is nice and cold, ready to enjoy its full, refreshing flavor. Now, press the brew button to start your cold espresso shot. Easy. For a cold brew, there is no need to make any grind size adjustment. A pre-purge is recommended to cool and optimize the water temperature, following the same process for cold espresso. Adding ice to your cold brew will ensure you get that smooth, mellow, and refreshing flavor. Next, press the brew button to run the extraction, which takes around 3 minutes, depending on your brew size. Enjoy on its own or with fresh milk, depending on your taste preferences.